Hey, you're waiting for the bus too?
Yeah, it should be here soon. Are you heading downtown?
Yes, I have a meeting there. What about you?
I'm going to a job interview. I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
Don't worry, you'll do great. What's the job for?
It's for a graphic designer position. I've always been passionate about art and design. What do you do?
I'm a marketing manager. I work for a small tech company. It's quite challenging, but I love it.
That's interesting. Tech is such a booming industry. Do you have any tips for staying calm during an interview?
Sure, just be yourself and stay confident. Think of it as a conversation rather than an interrogation. And don't forget to smile.
Thanks, I appreciate that. By the way, do you travel by bus often?
Yeah, pretty much every day. It's convenient and I enjoy the ride. How about you?
Not as often, but I've started using it more recently to save on gas and parking fees.
That's smart. Plus, it's better for the environment. Do you like reading or listening to music while commuting?
I usually listen to podcasts. It's a great way to learn something new. What about you?
I enjoy reading books. Right now, I'm reading a mystery novel. It's really gripping.
I love mystery novels too. Who's your favorite author?
I'd say Agatha Christie. Her stories are timeless. What about you?
I'm a fan of Arthur Conan Doyle. Sherlock Holmes is such an intriguing character.
Absolutely. His stories are classic. Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I just watched Inception again. It's such a mind-bending film. Have you seen it?
I have, and I love it. The concept is so unique. Do you prefer action movies or something else?
I enjoy a mix, but action and sci-fi are my favorites. What genres do you prefer?
I like a bit of everything, but romantic comedies are my go-to for a relaxed evening.
They are fun and lighthearted. Sometimes we all need a good laugh.
Exactly. So, do you have any hobbies besides graphic design?
I enjoy hiking and photography. Capturing nature's beauty is so fulfilling. What about you?
I love cooking and trying out new recipes. It's a great way to unwind after a long day.
That sounds amazing. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making Italian dishes, especially pasta. It's simple yet delicious. How about you?
I'm not much of a cook, but I make a mean grilled cheese sandwich.
That's a start. Everyone has to begin somewhere. Maybe you can try some new recipes this weekend.
I might just do that. Thanks for the encouragement, Emily.
No problem, John. It's been great chatting with you. I think our bus is finally here.
Yeah, it is. Good luck with your meeting.
And good luck with your interview. I'm sure you'll do great.